nuts.
Oh, it's coming this way. It's moved, definitely.
Is that west?
Yeah.
So it's coming east towards the bay.
Wow, dude, that is fucking crazy.
Gnarly, huh? That bottom's like the end of it. Because look, can you still see the moon, or is it starting to wrap? It's starting to wrap around us now.
That is.
Is it over there, dude? No, dude, this fucking cloud ends right here. This is just over there. There's nothing back that way.
I think it's just this floating one.
Well, I think those are just different clouds, dude. This is a fucking storm. That's a cold front.
Wow.
Yeah. You feel the temperature changing right now?
Oh, this is gross.
Oh yeah, dude. Dude, when it gets on top of us, you sit on the back porch at it, it's awesome. When it starts pouring and you see everything through the backside. See the fireflies through the field too. One hell of a thunderhead.
Across the street?
Everything's at like true calm right now too. Oh yeah, it's making its way here.
Oh, I just stop it right before I fucking hit this thing. This is crazy.
So crazy.
And I'm getting eaten alive.